Getting her validation won't save you. You have been there, you have gone on that road thousands of times. And if you, and your mind, in your mind, maybe millions of times. And still, when you come back to reality, that grief is still there, and your avoidance is also there. And the paradox is, you can't understand the grief is more painful or resisting to that grief is. I have an answer. I'm I don't want to pretend that I'm on the other side, but yeah, I think the resistance to that grief. You need to let that grief eat you once so that it can sever that connection, those emotions which are so attached to that one person that you are projecting your entire validation onto that person. In fact, even though you also know it's not true, and you really want to build your self-worth on your own, and you don't want people to think that your existence is entirely about her, but you also enjoy that part of yourself. And not just enjoy it, there is a certain level of comfort which comes with it, that that the moment your head says ki, oh, let's not go back to that path, it feels hard. You intellectually know that there is no fucking way that that can happen anymore, that that person have is so far away, and maybe don't even remember most of the time that you exist, but still your emotions don't agree. And you're exhausted in this constant battle between your head and your heart, or maybe from the left side of your brain and the right side of your brain for the logical ones. But at the end of the day, it's very painful, and not just painful, it's exhausting. Like somebody is draining your entire life energy, and you want to let them do it. You really want that to happen. And if you don't understand what I'm yapping about, you're lucky. But if you do, I feel you, man. All we wanted in the childhood was to be hugged. And it would have solved the problem, this big, which we are facing right now, which is this this confusion of attachment presenting itself as love. I don't know where this video will go, whom it will find, but I just want to put it out there because that weight you feel on your chest is felt by others as well, and it doesn't make it better, but still, there is this comfort in knowing that yes, I'm not the only crazy one.